Number 7 on the summer skills set says find the reference angle of the radian measure 1.6532. Now when we have an angle measure like pi over 6, we can figure out where that goes based on the exact values we know. So we need to take our angle measures that we understand, 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2. We need to turn those into decimals to make this easier. So I have my decimals right here for pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2. And it looks like I'm only really going to need pi and pi over 2 for this problem. So pi over 2 is 1.5708 if I round. 1.5708 radians. That's what pi divided by 2 is. And then pi is 3.14159, so 3.1416. So what this tells me is that my angle, 1.6532, is going to be a little bit past the pi over 2 measure. And so now I need to find the reference angle. To find the reference angle, we pick a point on that angle. We draw it vertically to the horizontal axis, and that gives me a different angle theta. We call that theta prime. So we want to find the measure of theta prime. To do that, we need to find the difference between the two angles we just connected. So we connected 1.6532 to 3.1416. So theta prime is going to equal the difference between those two angles. And we'll use our calculator to help us figure that out. So 3.1416 minus 1.6532. 6532. 3.1416 minus 1.6532. That's 1.4884. If I want to check my reference angle, I need to pick a value. Since sine is positive in quadrants 1 and 2, I'm going to take the sine of both values. I should see that the sine of 1.6532 is equal to the sine of 1.4884, because that's the angle it's referring to in quadrant 1. So sine of 1.4884 is 0.9966. Sine of 1.6532 is also 0.9966. So that works for us. So that's the reference angle for number 7.